Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. If you want to help support the channel a little extra, just make sure you go into the Fortnite game and then head over to the item shop right here and click this supporter creator code and type in Scoot4321 and click accept. And now let's hop into the video.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out is going to a guy named Filling Spaces, 67 subscribers, uploads Fortnite content. So guys, make sure to go head over to his channel, support him, 976 views. Now let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so in this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick run through on how to use the party assist feature that Fortnite just added in Season 8 that just came out. So in this season, they're putting more emphasis on completing challenges and ranking up in tiers and getting more XP. So a feature they added is a party assist feature in which you playing with friends can actually be beneficial to you when completing challenges, as some challenges can be kind of tiresome and you can struggle a lot with them if you're trying to do them all on your own. And this feature basically allows you to pair up with your friends and complete them as a team, which is very beneficial to you and will help you complete challenges faster. So the way to do this is very simple. You just want to make your way over to the challenges tab, which I'm doing on screen here. And by the way guys, this works for both daily challenges and weekly challenges, so you don't have to worry about this not working for specific kinds of challenges. It works for all kinds of challenges. And this can be very helpful when you're trying to rank up quickly if you have the battle pass or the regular battle pass. So basically what you want to do is make your way over to the challenges. I'm getting there right here, and as you can see, you can select any challenge you want, and you can just click this party assist feature. Just click that like I'm doing on screen here, and as you can see, it basically says that you can only use one party assist challenge at a time. So you can use unlimited party assists for each challenge. However, you can only select one at a time, so you can't be doing multiple challenges with your friends at the same time. You can only have one of these selected, so your friends can only help you achieve one challenge at a time. Once you complete that challenge, go select another one, and then you can be working on that challenge with your friends. So I hope this proved beneficial to you guys. I hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Go use my supporter creator code. Turn on notifications for that free shout out, guys. Go follow me on all my social medias, linked below. Yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.